mga Bicolano, Doc Ian.
Dami yan.
Marhay na hapon sa Indogabos. Salamat sa panonood ng UAP Volleyball. Ingat ka mo, Gabos. Mula sa amin dito sa ABS-CBN Sports. Boom Gonzalez, Doc Ian Laurel, Selena Dagdag, and Billy Capistrano. Of course, Direct Al Neri at the helm of this live and exclusive coverage of Season 75 Women's Volleyball Game number 1 between Ateneo and LaSalle. LaSalle, the defending champions, on even terms with Ateneo this year as compared to last year with a thrice-to-beat advantage last year. And it's a world of difference, isn't it?
Definitely. Different story, different cast, but again, the intensity nandun parate. But sabi ko kanina, no more excuses for Ateneo. They cannot say that this is going to be the first time they're going to be in this kind of a situation.
They were in awe last year. They were just happy probably to be there. The first batch to get them into the UAP finals. And now they've been hardened by that experience. But they also have to thank UST. If not for UST beating LaSalle in that game number 1, LaSalle would probably still be 14-0, and this will still be a thrice-to-beat advantage in the finals. So may konting tulong ng konti. Kahit na hindi sinasadya, ganun talaga.
Nung first, opening weekend natin.
Opening weekend, when we had 4 5-setters, that pretty much was a portal of things to come for Season 75.
And I remember really that game. We interviewed Coach Ojimamon of UST, and he said,
gusto niya
talunin naman LaSalle, pinaghandaan
sa
talaga.
So, gusto rin niya, maabot sila ng LaSalle sa finals.
Tama ka, malaking nagawa nun for the situation that we see Ateneo and LaSalle.
That's sports. A lot of it is your fate. Some of it dependent on other teams also. So, ganyan talaga yan.
Nice serve.
Nobody else is to blame but LaSalle, because they lost that one.
That's true.
Right? In the meantime, Gohing rolling on the floor here is Demecilio with the off-speed. Ferrer. No way. Ferrer keeps it alive. Chance for DLSU. They're down by 2. Maraño. Again, coverage for Ateneo has been spectacular today. Gohing gets it. She's pumped up. Ferrer. Back to Kainglet. Kainglet. Angles that one. And the Ilongga puts it away.
The defense of Ateneo is holding up, Boom. Whether it's a hit, whether it's a drop, someone is really diving.
I'll tell you this.
For those loose balls.
I don't know if you'll agree with me, Doc, but in all the games that they played this year, this is the best defense that they've played in all of the games.
Agree. Hindi naman ako makakahindi sa mga sinasabi.
Tinatapakan kita ngayon eh. Masakit na ba?
Masakit na eh. Ayoko nang masaktan ulit.
From the back line,
miss hit.
Underneath the ball.
That was a miss hit from Phil. And let's say hi to Direk Abit Ramos.
Oy, nasa Cebu.
Nasa Cebu.
Tama.
I miss natin si Direk ngayon.
Dahil sa Pinoy Pride.
So, busy working.
Maayong adlaw, Direk Abit. At pagamping mong tanan.
Danggit.
Pag-ayo-ayo mo diha. Sa ating mga kapamilya dyan. Davao, Cebu.
Abby Maraño. Trying to get all of her teammates involved, pump up, and look at the reaction she's going to have.
Maraño with a tip. And the lead is only 1 now. 4th set. Crucial set. Demecilio serving. Ferrer. Valdez is checked. Ferrer goes for the second touch. Galang again. Sent back. Fajardo for coverage. The left hand by Galang. Ferrer. Valdez.
What a dive, almost!
Oh, man. Gohing. Gohing has mopped the Araneta Coliseum today, hasn't she?
That's right. I don't want to be the laundry woman.
We're seeing the best of the
Gohing,
best. We're seeing the best of the best. Gohing, number
She's been
1.
all over the place.
We're looking at the number 1 and number 2 best receivers of the league in Gohing and Lazaro. The 2 best liberos right now.
Short serve. Poor reception from Galang.
But set back. Coverage. Galang again.
Yeah,
off
she
the
likes
block.
that.
Yep.
She likes that kind of a set. Moving away from the block, having the proper height, perfectly timed, and she's one of those girls that can hit it in a different direction from where she's facing. Kaya pag nakaharap yan sa kanan, kayang-kaya niyang padaanin sa kaliwa.
Parang si Paul Soriano.
Yes,
Ganun din
same thing.
skill set. Let me ask you this, Doc. At 12-11, Ateneo ahead here, 12-11. And a facial block. The ball sent back by Michelle Gumabao to the face of Gervasio. And you know, that always riles up a player that gusto mong bumawi ka agad pagka ganyan.
The crowd reacting. Big screen showing Z getting a facial off the block, you were saying?
Yeah, I wanted to ask you, who has more pressure here? Is it LaSalle, the defending champs, or is it Ateneo who keeps talking about the fact that their core is going to graduate and we need to win one before they do?
I would have to say pressure is on Ateneo
You
right
think
now.
so? Even
I
if they're
believe so. Yeah.
even if they're the perceived underdogs.
That's true. Ateneo, it's like now or never. Hindi na, there's no tomorrow with this current lineup. They know it's going to be another rebuilding season next year. This 5 has really brought Ateneo volleyball to a different level. And De La Salle, they've been at it for a long time. So sanay na sila dyan and expect a longer run in the next coming years.
Let's listen in to Coach Roger.
Diyan, madali tayo maka-play. I-receive lang tayo. Kukulik siya, di differential ito eh.
Ateneo now behind here. Saan man kayo sa mundo ngayon na nanonood through the Filipino channel, bumabati po kayo kami ng magandang araw sa inyo. Mabuhay po kayo sa lahat ng Pilipino. Lahat ng lumuwas para lang manood dito sa Araneta Coliseum. Ang Game 2 po ay sa Mall of Asia Arena sa
Wednesday.
Miyerkules. Oh. Through the block. Valdez gets it through. It's about time we get their version of the Phenom back on deck here.
That play was called for Eliza after that timeout of Coach Roger. So, good play off of that timeout. Like to say hi to my kumare, Lizelle Tavera, and my kumpare, Sean Solis from Cavite, who's watching right now.
Galang also getting that point to get them ahead here, 14-13. Galang has been spectacular.
Yes. After that third set, nabuhay eh.
If Ateneo has been a great total team effort today, especially on defense, you got to single out Galang on offense for De La Salle University, but so many service errors also killing La Salle in this game. Remember that second set where they had 12
errors.
Unforced errors? Jesus back on deck. We're tied at 14 all.
Nice play.
What a set by Kim Fajardo to Mika Reyes.
I think they should utilize that play more. They definitely have the advantage every time Reyes. And it doesn't have to be strong hit in the middle all the time. Reyes can just tip it through.
Most pundits will point out that that's their biggest advantage, though. Talking about LaSalle, that middle attack. And especially talking about Mika Reyes.
Pero hindi nila masyado nagamit pa dito sa laro na to.
Yun nga eh. That's the strange thing about it. Misreceived again. And a free ball for LaSalle, who are ahead, 15-14. Gohing brings it to the setter. Demecilio mistimes it, but still gets the point anyway.
Right. She waited for the set. It came a bit late. She had to stop before she went up.
Now we have a timeout, a technical timeout. Back in a moment here on Studio 23.